In today's video, we are going to cover how to resume a subscription in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. If you are doing this for a live customer, make sure you are in the correct environment before you continue. If you are only testing the process, switch to sandbox or test mode so you do not make changes in live data. This is an easy detail to miss, especially if you move between testing and production often. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the subscriptions area. This is where Stripe lists the subscriptions connected to your account, including active, paused, canceled, and trialing records. From there, open the paused subscription that you want to resume. You will arrive on the subscription details page, where Stripe shows the current status and the available actions for that subscription. On that subscription page, click Resume Subscription. This opens the resumption settings, where Stripe asks you to confirm how the subscription should continue. One of the choices here is whether to reset the billing cycle anchored to now. If you want the billing schedule to restart from the current date, select that option. If not, leave it based on the existing billing timing shown in the subscription details. Next, choose the payment behavior you want Stripe to use for the resumption. You will see the option to resume after payment attempt or resume after payment success. The first option allows the subscription to move forward after Stripe attempts payment. The second option waits until payment succeeds before the subscription becomes active again. Select the one that matches the billing outcome you want for this subscription. After that, review the resumption details on the screen. Stripe may also show an invoice amount due, depending on the subscription setup and the choices you made in the previous step. Take a moment to confirm the billing cycle setting, the payment behavior, and any amount Stripe says will be invoiced or collected. This review step helps you confirm that the subscription will resume the way you intend. When everything looks correct, click Resume. Stripe will process the change and return you to the subscription record. If the page takes a moment to update, wait briefly for the status and related details to refresh. The last step is to verify the result. Look at the subscription status on the subscription page and confirm that it has changed back to active. If you selected a payment behavior that depends on successful payment, make sure the status reflects the expected result after Stripe completes that payment step. Your paused Stripe subscription has now been resumed and returned to active.